It's a bit cold for all this, isn't it?
My glasses keep steaming up if I do that. Yeah, so we're out in the Cobra on this gloriously sunny day. Cold, isn't it?
I think last reading's about 3 degrees. And no roof.
So this is a 3.5 litre engine. We covered it in our workshop update at the end of December. We've done Piper 270 camshaft on stage 3 cylinder heads, still retaining the original flapper injection system, and already had our RPI ignition upgrades. Steve?
Yep.
Every time we've tried to video in this car, it's rained. It's not now.
No, it's snowing.
Bloody snowing. So being a 3.5, this doesn't have the bottom end torque that a 4.6 or a 3.9 has, obviously. But with the stage 3 additions, it has really opened the top end up, so there's absolutely nothing behind me on this road. We'll just drop it down and pulls really nicely. It's incredibly smooth, and the top end is now really exciting for a little 3.5 litre engine.
It also makes all the right noises.
Every single 8 of them. So we just accelerated spiritedly, and the steering wheel fell apart.
Just has that much power now.
It's the joy of kit cars.
There we go, fixed. Four-wheel drive.
It's not even got an LSD. If we get on slippery stuff, it's one-wheel drive.
That's close enough. It's got 4 wheels and you are driving it.
Fifth. Feet off.
Feet off.
The speedo's not accurate. It needs recalibrating, which the customer's going to have done. That is probably, hang on, I've got an idea. Cut. Okay, so back into 5th. Yeah, that's not bad, is it?
Not bad at all.
No, let's accelerate, shall we? Still snowing. So the only bit of this video left is for me to abandon you and for you to walk home then, yeah?
I mean, the only difference is this time I'll be the same temperature.
Yes. So as you can see, this little 3.5 engine on flapper injection, RPI ignition kit, stage 3 heads and 285 camshaft, does everything it really needs to do. Of course, more torque can be gained by upgrading to a 3.9 or a 4.6, which could still be done at a later date with this vehicle. And the flapper injection system, thankfully, all the components of this system are working well. Obviously we have lots of customers which we've shown vehicles of before that convert to Weber 4-barrel carb or the hot wire injection system, but while the flapper works, it does do the job reasonably well. This car's still really pleasurable to drive. If you imagine it's a really warm day,